Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a family recipe. This is a recipe passed down from my family. I don't know how many generations, but it's really good. And my family calls it Russian tea cakes. I don't know if that's the official name, and I think that they're probably not Russian. So grain of salt there, but either way, they're still really delicious. So let's get started.
We start out with our ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, half a cup or 70 grams of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 2 1/4 cup or 290 grams of flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup or 75 grams of chopped nuts. I'm using pecans today. More powdered sugar to dip them in afterwards. First, cream the butter. If the butter is soft enough, you don't need a mixer. My 6-year-old daughter is helping me today. Then basically dump the rest of the ingredients except the extra powdered sugar into the bowl with the butter. Combine all the ingredients into coarse crumbs. Try to make sure there are no large lumps of butter in the dough. Press the dough into balls and roll them between your palms to make them rounder and place on a lined baking sheet. These don't rise, but they can spread just a bit, but you can usually place them fairly close together. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges start turning golden brown. Then, while they're still hot out of the oven, pick up the cookies with a fork and toss in the powdered sugar. Once all the cookies have been tossed in powdered sugar, toss them again. I also had 2 cookies with slightly too much butter that just melted onto the cookie sheet. I'm not trying to cover them with powdered sugar, but the rest worked great. These cookies are buttery and crumbly with delicious nut pieces in it. They're not too sweet as most of the sugar comes from the powdered sugar on the outside. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.